Hi guys, Kristian here. It's a beautiful day in Chula Vista and I wanted to put together this compilation video that goes through the sale process of this home from beginning to end. How we prepared it, how we got it marketed, how we got offers, and how we got it closed for a price that's so far above asking price, you're gonna wanna see exactly how much this homeowner netted. We go through the process from beginning to end. So let's hop right into this video and you can see exactly how we sold this home for way more than Zillow, Redfin, or Realtor.com said it was worth. Zillow says that it's worth about $713,000. Redfin, on the other hand, says that the home is worth about $715,000. Realtor.com has the value at $710,000. My goal as the real estate broker is to blow all three of these estimates out of the water. Preparation is the most important part of any listing. We have the home inspection to be completed, we have the termite inspection, we have the improvements that need to be done to the property, we have the curb appeal done through our landscape architect, we are going to have the most amazing aspects of this home pointed out and highlighted for our marketing. We're going to stage the home professionally so that it looks perfectly ready to move into. We're going to take a look at the wood destroying pest and organism inspection report. We see that there are dry wood termites and fungus and dry rot in this property. So the grand total is going to be $5,285 in order to take care of everything necessary on this property. When the buyer wants to know, is the house okay? Am I buying, a good property?
Correct.
But we want to know ahead of time so that we can fix all those little issues that don't become a huge problem later on when the buyer wasn't expecting it, right? Or understand what our pricing model would look like. The plumber did a great job of installing the new kitchen sink, garbage disposal, and fixing all of the toilets. There was a lot of plumbing work that was completed. The handyman did all of the other repairs and improvements. He touched up the paint, cleaned all of the windows, including the second-story windows that were next to impossible to get to unless you have a huge ladder. It's extremely important to have the property professionally cleaned by a team that goes through the entire home and doesn't miss anything. Landscaping is essential, and having that curb appeal that attracts more buyers and thus more offers is what it's all about. Accentuating the room by keeping furniture to a minimum is the best way to make small spaces feel large. Professional photographers really understand lighting and angles, how to get each room to look a lot larger and brighter than it would normally appear. They also capture shots that bring the outside in and make rooms look incredibly larger. These virtual renderings are an enormous wow factor for potential buyers and for anybody who's looking for a home in the neighborhood, and can showcase to potential buyers what a complete remodel of the home would look like. In the sales approach, the appraiser utilizes comparable sales from the area to determine what a buyer would be willing to pay for a home based on what other homes have sold for in the previous 6 to 12 months. The condition of the property may add $25,000 or more to the appraisal. First thing we're going to do is go into our listings. We're going to add a new residential listing. So we just uploaded all of our photos into the MLS listing. We have 835, 820, 815, 780, 810. So the best one that we have is Brett. Well, we did it again. Another home sold for a record-breaking value in San Diego County.
So he knows what he's doing, and that's really important, especially when you're doing these types of things, buying or selling.
Closing statement shows that we sold the property for $842,000. But what did the seller walk away with? The seller received a check for $653,373.93 from the sale of this property. If you've got any questions about real estate, feel free to let us know. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also to subscribe and hit that bell notification so that you can be notified when we release future videos just like this one.